Alrighty, we got our ace padlock here. We're going to go ahead and throw this in the vise, and we're going to cut it open and see what goes on inside this thing. Alrighty, see what we've got here. Pops apart quite easy. Spring, and these are your actuators here that go into the notches on the lock, like so. You can see how that works. So that's all that really locks it up. That actuator just turns these two and releases them and holds everything in place. The spring gives the lock its spring tension for the shackle, and that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. You can see it was definitely not bolt cutter proof, not drill proof, and there's not a lot that makes up these locks. So keep that in mind when you're choosing a padlock for yourself and your own security needs, not to get something that doesn't meet the standards that you require. Let's see if we can pop this cylinder out of here real quick. I might be able to get it out of there. Well, that's about it. But you can see how tiny that cylinder is and how tiny the pins and everything are in there that are securing your valuables. So thanks for watching. Check this video out. Send it out. Hit like. Hit subscribe. Give me some subscribers, and I'll keep giving you guys some awesome content. Check out the website below, and share with Facebook, Twitter, or any of your favorite social media. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.